Well, I'm here at the ISE show 2019 and I'm at the Apantac stand. This is one of two videos that we are doing here, so don't forget to check out the other one. Both with this man, of course, is Mr. Thomas Tang. Hi, Thomas.
How are you?
Yeah, very good. Well, this particular video, we're going to be concentrating on some openGear solutions you've got. Tell us about that.
Yeah, well, we've been an openGear partner for about 7 years now. So the past few years, we started introducing more of the AV product into openGear. So what we wanted to do here, really the goal is to bring that reliability from the broadcast industry to AV. So we've done quite a few of these in AV installations now. And one of the requests that people ask us, can you do a KVM Switch in openGear? So this is what we're showing here. So our KVM Switch, it's a single card that can go from 4 to 8 computers. And at the same time, it could be bundled with our multiviewer. So you have a multiviewer and a KVM in openGear.
And you showed me a little bit earlier, doing something reasonably impressive here with some dual head inputs as well.
That's right. Well, one of the things that we have to conquer is dual head, especially when you have a multiviewer. So what we're doing here is, you can see there's output 1 and output 2, output 1 and output 2. In a presentation environment, sometimes you have a computer, then you have a redundant computer. Then you have your main presentation and you have your notes. So that's a very important thing for a presentation type of setup.
And as far as shifting between control of the computers, how easy is that on a system like this?
Oh, so a system like this, so you can see we're right here. Yep. Then we could just click the center scroll wheel. Yep. And now we're here. Yep. And you click that. Now you're in the second one, so it's very easy to do. Yeah,
it's very impressive, and obviously people can come and see you here at ISE. But if they weren't able to come and see and they want to find out more about your openGear solutions, is there a website they can go to?
Yes, please go to www.apantac.com.
Thomas, thank you as always. There you have it. You want to find out more about the Apantac openGear solutions and especially the KVM module as well, go and check out the website. Don't forget to look at the other video that we've done here at Apantac. And for more from ISE 2019, check out kitplus.com.